Another shock to China. Two more countries towards boycott of Winter Olympics. Blast in Delhi court. Police entering the field. Break for duties for 3 days in Singareni. CM Jagan shifting gaze on housing construction. Akhanda Chitra unit for Simhachalam temple. Another shock to China. Two more countries towards boycott of Winter Olympics. The Winter Olympics 2022 will be held in China in February next year. Even before the launch, these games seem to be surrounded by controversy. Many countries have decided not to send their officials to China for these games. Now it has the names of two new countries. Great Britain and Canada have also decided not to send their officials to the Winter Olympics. Blast in Delhi court. Police entering the field. The blast took place in Delhi. The incident took place at Rohini Court on Thursday morning. The court premises trembled at once. Everything was done. They fled without knowing what had happened. Police immediately entered the field and confirmed that the laptop battery had exploded. Break for duties for 3 days in Singareni. Amid the privatization of mines, the centre has to change its decision. Otherwise, the working class warned that they would go on strike. The workers do not seem to have stopped fighting for the centre to collapse. The Telangana Coal Mine Workers Union, along with the national unions opposing the privatization of the 4 blocks, have called for a 3-day strike. CM Jagan shifting gaze on housing construction. Aiming to remove the burden of 1 billion rupees on the poor, CM Jagan is shifting gaze on housing construction in that direction. In this context, Chief Minister Jagan conducted a review on housing and OTS schemes at the camp office in Tadepalli. Akhanda Chitra unit for Simhachalam temple. Hero Balakrishna visited Sri Varahalakshmi Narasimha Swami in Simhachalam on Thursday on the occasion of receiving a huge victory. Along with him, director Boyapati Srinu also visited Swami.